Hey, my creators, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad that you're here, and I appreciate you taking the time to stop by my video. I am very excited because I have just started my new membership tiers. So I want to jump right into it and tell you everything that you get in the membership. It is fabulous. You will not believe what you get with these different membership tiers. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, my creators. So my first tier is called the high res tier. And this is only $2.99 a month, and you get so much. Of course, you get your regular badges and emojis that you can put next to your comments so that I recognize them right away. But more than that, you get these beautiful, beautiful images every month, at least 5 of them. So that's a value of at least $5 or more. They're high quality images, and you will absolutely love what you see. Now, I want you to remember this. These images, if you purchase them on my site, they're about $1 each, which is great, but they are $1 each. So this way you really are saving a lot of money. I tell you, if I had found this when I had my Etsy shop, if I had found someone that had these types of images, I would have run to their store to get these kind of images because they're just absolutely gorgeous and they really can help jumpstart you. Okay. So they're images that you can upload into Canva and you can do what you want with them. The only thing you cannot do is sell them as they are as a digital image, but you can take them and put them on any end product like a mug or a t-shirt or a laptop cover or a tote bag or something like that, and you can add your own text to them as well. I will also provide you trending PO news and pertinent information. So it's random information pertaining to Etsy, Printify, Printful, Gelato, and other things. Okay. And these are easily accessible by a Google Drive link that's going to be on the post tab here on YouTube. So you don't need a Google account to access your Google Drive either. So these are great. It is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful membership tier. Now let's talk about the next one. So now we come to the fabulous extra membership tier. This membership is fabulous. You get members only videos that are not shown to the public, and you get special inside information on PLD, Etsy, website help, SEO, and more. And these are all found on the post tab and also on my YouTube channel. You also get easy to use templates for t-shirts, mugs, and more. And these templates are so fabulous, especially if you feel like you are not, the biggest creative person. So these templates really help you to design for your print on demand items. So you can edit your products by just taking the templates and editing them a little bit. And these are all found also on the post tab, and you'll have Google Drive links, and you don't have to have a Google account in order to access the link. Okay. And you get high resolution AI images and their prompts. People are always asking me about the prompts. So, with this membership, you get prompts monthly. You get prompts. And trust me, guys, I am not a cheap person at all. I am very generous. So, you will probably find 15 or 20 images sometimes in a month on your site. So, with each image and template costing at least $1, that's at least $10 to $20 a month you would normally be spending. Okay. So, not only that, in addition to all of those wonderful things I just listed, you will also get all of the perks from the previous level. My creators, I'm always talking about Canva on this channel, and I will never stop talking about Canva. As long as Canva exists, I will talk about Canva. But I will also, from time to time, throw in some videos about Kittle and PowerPoint, which I don't talk about on the channel as of yet. So I will show you how to use Kittle and PowerPoint to really make some powerful designs of your own. So stay tuned for that as well. And that will be also available to members. You know, I love beautiful wall art, absolutely love it. And I will also show you how to make your own beautiful wall art. And I will also throw in for you in your memberships some wall art designs. These are designs that you can upload, you can edit, you can add text, you can do whatever you want to do with these images and put them on in products like wall art, t-shirts, or anything else that you desire to put them on. And I will show you how to do that as well. So it's just a lot of fun in the membership. We're going to do a lot more things than you would normally see on just my regular YouTube channel. It is a lot of fun on the YouTube channel too, but in the membership, we just get a lot more involved, a lot more in depth. And I would really encourage you to join in a membership, regardless as to which one you join. You will really enjoy it. And hey, what do you have to lose? You can cancel at any time, so you have nothing to lose. If you prefer to buy individual images and templates and backgrounds, you are welcome to do that. You can go to joyartclub.online, and I promise you, you will find some absolutely gorgeous images and templates to use for your print on demand items. All of these images were created by me and they are editable in Canva. And anywhere that you can actually upload and edit your images, you are able to do this. The templates are Canva links, so you do have to have Canva in order to edit the template links. All right, my creators, that's it for this video, but I thank you for stopping by my channel and I thank you for checking out my membership tiers. I'm sure you will love them. I really appreciate your time and I love, love, love making these videos for you. So, as we always say, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.